Maggie to the rescue.
Hey everybody, Maggie's here on a rainy day, which is a perfect time to open this package. Thank you, Maggie. I saw this little vintage doll on eBay and she just looked so cute. And she's gonna need my help. Oh my god, she's adorable. Little side glancing eyes and freckles and rain boots. Her hair is something though. Isn't her raincoat and hat cute? Ugh. Looks like she has mildew, which is a fungus like mold, but mold is usually fuzzy and this is flat. So I'll definitely be treating this with vinegar. Her hair is so thin, which I guess is typical of these little grocery store dolls from the 1960s and 70s. Let's see if she has mildew other places too. Her boots and feet look fine. Oh good, her body looks okay so far. But it's on her raincoat for sure. Let's get that off of her. I moved Maggie out of the way. I'll obviously have to trim this hair. Her body looks great. Made in Hong Kong. My guess is this is early 1970s. She's still kind of mod looking. She's super lightweight. Okay, let's wash her, soak her coat and hat, and get this hair back in shape. So I poured in a generous amount of white vinegar into this bowl of water. And you can add soap to this too, but I just wanted the water to be clear so that we can see if it's making a difference. I want to wash her, but I don't want her to develop any mold, so I'm going to take her head off so that she dries completely after washing her. Water can drain out here. So I'm washing her in eco-friendly dish soap. Her hair is so thin, I'm not going to soak it in any fabric softener. I'll probably just add a little conditioner. So I'm just scrubbing her with a toothbrush. But I like to use a washcloth on the face paint. I washed her underwear. I'm just tapping water out. I just want to make sure her insides are completely dry before I put her back together so that doesn't form any mildew. This is my handy paper towel holder. I got it just for my doll rescues. Now I'm using a little conditioner. I'm just massaging it into the fibers. It's funny, this sparse hair is a challenge because there's not a whole lot I can do with it. I guess it's a good thing she'll be wearing a hat. I rinse the conditioner under running water. Her hair is cut sort of short on the sides. It's kind of funny. And now I think I just want to style her hair in a little bit of a mod flip, just a little flip up on the ends. I'm not trimming too much because I want to leave enough to let it flip up. Okay, I'm going to try to curl it slightly. The sweetest guy helped me pick these out at the supply store. I actually told him I needed the curlers for dolls, and he immediately said these would be great because of the grip and the size. So they're Conair Pro, and they're 3/8 inch. So you have to unroll them. You can never just pull them out. They're gripping the hair really nicely. They might stay in this way, but I'm bobby pinning them to be sure. Okay, let's check in on the mildew. I can already tell it's much better. So I'm just using a rag to wipe off the remaining mildew. I especially want to get into the seams and folds and remove any traces. It's never a good idea to keep dolls in a damp basement because they breed mold and mildew. So I rinsed everything in soap and water. It's important everything dries thoroughly. So her hair should be dry now. I'm carefully unrolling so it doesn't pull the hairs. Oh, that's even more curl than I expected. I'll have to brush it out so it's just a flip. So this isn't exactly what I'd imagined. And the curl is falling out a little too quickly. Let's see how it works with her hat. Well, we'll see. Time to get her back together and dressed and get ready for the big reveal. So the sun came out. How perfect is that? So how cute is she? So after all that curling and trying to flip up, it just looked cuter in the end to have it flipped under, so I did that. But it did add a little bit of volume and style to her hair, so that's good. They both have their bags because they're going to go to a sleepover. So no more mildew. So this just goes to show, like, one of these little dolls that were very inexpensive at the time. They're just totally worth rescuing. If you see something like mold, don't think you just have to throw that away, or mildew. You can use vinegar and get rid of it and gift it to someone for display or to play with. I hope you will like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and join us for more rescues and show and tells and fashion shows to come. Thanks everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.